Hello everyone, I'm Meherwan Irani, chef and restaurateur. Welcome to Field to Flame. I'm here with my friends from Kingsford Charcoal and Masterbuilt, where we take seasonal ingredients and bring them from the grill to the dining table. We're going to give you some amazing recipes for fall and winter you can enjoy with friends and family. Today we're going to be making blue cheese, butter, chili lime basted ribeyes with caramelized onions with rosemary and butter. We're going to start with our blue cheese, butter, chili lime baste for the ribeyes. So I'm going to put a quarter cup of blue cheese, quarter cup of butter, a little bit of chili, a little bit of lime. Grill's loaded up with Kingsford Charcoal, temperature's holding steady at 600 degrees wherever we want it. I'm going to throw this into the grill to melt. Next we're going to do our onions. I've quartered these from the top about halfway down. I'm going to stuff it with butter, rosemary, salt and pepper, wrap it in tin foil, and throw it on the grill to hang out while the steaks cook. All right, we're going to throw these in the grill. The butter and blue cheese have melted. We're going to hit it with a squeeze of lime juice, maybe about a tablespoon and a half, and a pinch of cayenne powder, and whisk well. Got our steaks here. What I did with these is I actually salted them the night before and put them on a wire rack on a tray and left them in the fridge exposed. This way the water and the moisture gets absorbed out of the steak, and this gives you beautiful color, and the steaks are pre-seasoned. I'm going to season the steaks with some kosher salt, fresh black pepper, garlic powder, and paprika. And then we're going to baste it with our butter, blue cheese, chili lime situation. Alrighty, we're buttered and basted. Time to hit the grill. Let them hang out for about 2-3 minutes. Now that we've got everything off the grill, I'm going to let the steaks rest for about 5 minutes, give or take. And we're going to then unwrap the onions and make ourselves a beautiful steak platter. Now that it's off the grill, let's eat. Wow, the sear, the smokiness, those charcoal notes from the Kingsford Charcoal. These are one of the best steaks I've made. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to pick up the ingredients. Kingsford Charcoal, the Gravity Series 1050 behind me. See you next week.